Before we have a problem, I will take you there. When it comes to my man, please don't be someone. Thursday is a holiday, Thursday's our anniversary. You should think about the time you waste, 'cause my last name ain't Gold Train.